Hello, welcome to another productive series. In today's series, we'll be solving a practical question in mathematics, substitution into formula, right? So our given equation is C equals 3 gen square h minus 9h square, right? And our given question for the day is, given that gen equals 3, okay, and h equals 5/3, find the value of c equals 3 gen square h minus 9 gen h square, right? So let's quickly delve into it. So solution, right? So our given equation is c equals 3 gen square h minus 9 gen h square, right? Where gen is 3 and h is 5, the fraction 5/3, right? So we only have to insert our given values into the equation, right? So we are going to have c equals 3 multiplying gen square, where gen is 3, right? So we are going to have 3 square, right? Multiplying h, where h is 5/3, minus 9 multiplying gen, where gen is 3, okay? Let me put this in brackets, okay? Where gen is 3, right? And multiplying h square, where h is 5, the fraction 5/3 square, right? So we are going to simplify, right? So we are going to have our c equals 3 multiplying 3 square is 9, right? 9 multiplying 5/3 minus 9, okay, multiplying 3, multiplying the fraction 5/3 square, right? So here 5/3 square, we are going to have the fraction to be 5 square over 3 square, right? Now, because the square affects the entire fraction, right? So we are going to have our c equals 3 multiplying 9 over the fraction 5/3 minus 9/3 multiplying 5 square is 25, so the fraction 25 over 3 square is 9, right? Over 9, right? So we've simplified. So we have our new equation to be c equals 3 multiplying 9 multiplying the fraction 5/3 minus 9 multiplying 3 and the fraction 25/9, right? So we simplify further, okay, and in doing so we have to do some cancellations, right? So 3/9 over 5/3 multiplying 9/3 over 25/9, right? So now when we simplify further, 3 multiplying 9 will give us 27, right? 27, right? Multiplying 5/3, okay, multiplying 3 multiplying negative 9 multiplying 3 will give us negative 27. Okay, multiplying 25, the fraction 25 over 9. Right, so our C is equal to, now this is where we do our cancellations. 5 over 3, 27, 25 over 9. Right, 3 will go into itself 1 to go into 27, 9. 9 will go into itself 1 to go into 27 3 times. So we are going to have our C equals 9 multiplying 5 minus negative 3 multiplying 25. Right, so our C is equal to 9 multiplying 5 will give us 45 minus negative 3 multiplying 25 will give us negative 75. Negative 75. Right? So our C is equal to 45 minus 75, which will give us negative 30. Right, so that's our final answer. Our final answer is negative 30. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.